Hello everyone, today I'm gonna do another dashcam related video. So this is my 2019 Toyota 4Runner Limited, and this 4Runner has a Viofo dashcam. This is a very old dashcam. I've been using it since 2019, since this car was new, and this dashcam has the regular wiring that goes around the headliner, down on the carpet, into the 12-volt circular outlet. And I'm going to change the wiring to this Dongar dashcam power adapter. This will get power from your existing mirror. So if you have an auto dimming mirror, you can use this Dongar power adapter. There are many models for different makes and models, so you pick the correct one to your specific vehicle. So I put 2019 Toyota 4Runner and I look behind the mirror what type of wiring is there. So for my car, it has this 7-pin adapter. So let me open this box and show you what's inside. So this is the 7-pin type B adapter. So inside the box you have this wiring. So mine is the 7-pin adapter, and this side you have the USB-A type output, and in the box you have different types of USB cables. So you have USB-C, micro USB, all sort of different USB cables. So if you have a dash cam that powers with regular USB cable, this would be your perfect way to have a shorter cable to your dash cam. So it's going to be really easy to remove the existing wire from the mirror, plug this in, and get the power from this USB-A port and one of these cables. So without further talking, let me show you how to install this. So before I go to the direct install, let me try to show the best I can to help you find the correct Dongar cable for your specific vehicle. So in my case, this 2019 4Runner, you have this power cable from the mirror. Get your phone and come closer and see what kind of cable you have. So in my case, you can see this is the 7-pin cable. So you can remove this tab right here and remove this cable and replace with the Dongar cable, and then you can use the USB cable provided and plug in to your dash cam right here. So let's do the install. First we are going to remove this cable. So move the mirror if you want. You need to access this top tab. Let me try to show you. Yeah, you have to press this tab down and pull it back. So press this tab and pull this back. So this is the cable you have. You can see this is the tab that you need to press and pull it back. And yeah, You can see this is the 7-pin. So now I'm gonna get my cable. I'll try my best to show you how to do this because there's not much room behind. So we are going to use this side back into this cable. So this is how it's gonna connect. You have this tab. Like that. Not sure whether this goes all the way in or not, but we'll see. So one of the other ways to find is you have the two wires coming in, and this red and black wire is on that side. So that's another way to find out. And then you plug this side back into the mirror like so, and it clicks like that. Then you can maybe 3M tape this, and on this side you can maybe 3M tape onto the mirror like so, or to this back side of the mirror like this, and then you can connect to your dash cam. And I'm gonna take the right cable for the dash cam. So to my dash cam, this is the cable. Remove the existing one, plug this in like so, and back to this USB. Like that. So I will stick this on like so. This should be good. Peel off this double-sided tape. Stick it on like this. So that's all. So now I'm going to remove this. So that is the video how I install this Dongar power adapter for my 4Runner. So again, this 4Runner takes the 7-pin Dongar adapter. If you have a different 4Runner or a different vehicle, they have different cables for your specific vehicle. Look in their website or Amazon, wherever you want to buy it. And hope you like that video. Let me know if you like it or if there's anything I missed. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.